Okay, so if we trace through what's going on with this one, I'm passing in count, number 9. It's then going to perform mod, which basically against 2, it looks for are there any remainders. If there isn't a remainder, it's going to print the 0. So it's basically saying how many 9s go into 2? Well, we know that 4 2s go into 9, remainder 1. Therefore, it's going to print the number 9. 9 is bigger than 0, so we're taking away 1, so now going to do 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 0, so it won't print out 8. It'll then take away 1 from 8, 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3, remainder 1, so it'll print 7. Hence, over here we've got 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. So our base case is this. It's basically saying we're going to keep going until our number is 0. When it's 0, we're going to stop. So if we're going to do that as iteration, how's this going to work? Now, keep in mind that this has got no returns in here. How would we do this as iteration though? Well, first of all, the header is going to be the same. All we're passing in both of these is just the number each time. For this time though, we're only using it once because it's iteration. We're going to reduce the number in the loop. In our loop, we want to keep going until when? Or should I say whilst when? We want to keep looping whilst our number is bigger than 0. So whilst our number is bigger than 0, we're going to check it against mod. Sorry, this needs to be there. If it's 0, so let's say 4 divided by 2 is 2, so no 0, we just take away 1 from the number. So number equals number minus 1. And we keep going until we get to 0. It's only going to print the number when it is an odd number. So we're going to call it now. Let's just get rid of this. And let's do count I9. 9 is bigger than 0. We check this, we print the number goes down by 1. So look at the differences between the two. They're very similar. The difference being, this is used to reduce our number. We're just calling the function again. I'm going to change this back to print number. Now if I was wanting to use return in this, it really wouldn't make any sense because what we're doing is we're printing a list of numbers one after another every time we go for it. So if I wanted to use return, what I'd probably have to do is add each number into an array and then return the array at the end. But it makes no sense. We may as well just print what we see when we get there. Hence, no return needed in here nor here. Just two basic procedures, recursive and iterative.